Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install your Discord app on your mobile phone. So what you need to do is go straight to your Play Store. Then you can search for your Discord. This is it, Discord. Click on it and you can see I already have a Discord on my phone. So for those of you that don't have your Discord on your phone, all you need to do is just click on install. Once you click on install, wait for it to install finish, then you begin to install. You can see, wait for it to download. Then after downloading, your Discord is going to install on your mobile phone. Very easy. So let's wait for it to download. Okay, you can see how Discord is almost finished downloading. Now exactly once it is done downloading, it's going to install. You can see it is been installing by itself. So just wait for it to install finish. I think it's almost done. Yeah, it's okay. Good. You can see install. So what you need to do is just click on open. Okay, let's go and find our Discord on our Android phone. So what you need to do is go to your Android, go to your files here, your apps, then you're going to find it there. Now let me search for Discord. Okay, this is it. Just open it, and this is it. You have successfully download and install your Discord easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and drop a comment. Thank you guys.